Hi everyone, in this lecture we will install our Python environment. Let's begin our lecture. First of all, you can look at the python.org and you can download Python from this website by using this Python 3.8.2 button. We will be using in our course Python 3 version. Python is very powerful language and you can use Python in all platforms, Windows, macOS or Linux. You can select your machine from this part, and what we install in this part, we will installing the Python interpreter. What Python interpreter is doing, Python interpreter is changing the human codes to the machine codes. For example, we will write the Python code in our interactive shell, and this Python interpreter change this code to the machine code, so 0 and 1s. You can download by using this website of python.org, but we will use Anaconda distribution because Anaconda is a great platform that we can use Python programming language. Go to the google.com and write Anaconda, click the first Anaconda, and this is the Anaconda distribution. We will install Anaconda distribution to our computer. We can use editors, Jupyter Notebook, Spider. We can use all of these in Anaconda. By installing Anaconda, of course, we install the Python programming language, and we will use Python in our Jupyter Notebook interactively. So how can you install the Anaconda? You can go to the products part and click the individual edition. The below side, click the download button. You can choose which platform using. For example, you can use Windows or macOS or Linux. I'm using the macOS and I'm installing this Python 3.7 version. Do not install Python 2 versions. We will use Python 3 in our course. So download these folders. I'm gonna download macOS version. Yes, we can look at downloads folder. Here Anaconda distribution is downloaded. Let's open the pack. You can download and install Anaconda very easily. Introduction, continue. This is the README page. You can look at the libraries we can download by using Anaconda. Why we use Anaconda? For this purpose we use Anaconda because in Anaconda we can get so many useful libraries. And we can continue. License part, also we can continue. You have to click the agree button. You will select the installation place. Install for me only. Continue. Yes, we can start installing our Anaconda distribution. Yes, we install our distribution. We can open our Anaconda distribution. You can go to the search bar and write Anaconda Navigator. Yes, I'm just hit the Anaconda Navigator. My Anaconda is opening now. Yes, Anaconda Navigator is this. You can use all of these. These are IDEs or editors. So firstly, we will use Jupyter Notebook in our course because Jupyter Notebook is interactive computing environment. We will write code and we can see the output very interactively. So we will use notebook environment in our lecture. In the upcoming lectures I will explain how can you use Anaconda Navigator, and in the next lecture we will start writing some codes and we will start using Jupyter Notebook. See you in the next lecture.